You can see where the creek starts right up there. At some points it goes underground and then pops back out. But you can see that after the rain that we've had, it is really running pretty good, even though we are way below freezing. Didn't get as much snow as I'd hoped, but that's all right. It's really pretty anyway. I just came out to feed the birds. I just gave and put out the last of my homemade bird cakes yesterday. I don't think I'm gonna have to make some more. They make pretty short work of them, but yeah, the creek is definitely running. It's very active. As a matter of fact, when I moved in at the last of June, a couple of years ago, I mean, it was like really running, really big. And wow, you know, for me that was like awesome. I had never seen it run so much. And so that's the sound that you hear when you're sitting at the creek. I always keep hoping that as I'm filming back here that the deer will decide to come along. I can actually, in my chair, when I'm watching the news or whatever, I can sit back. Oops, sorry. I can sit back and I can just watch them come down the ridge, or maybe sometimes come up this way and go that way. But they're always here. They're always here. And I got no complaints about that. Y'all have a truly wonderful day. And I will put a link to my bird biscuit recipe in the comments below.